Ladies and gentlemen, we have just arrived to Kaliningrad.
Thank you, boss. Good morning, everybody. Today we are in Kaliningrad or Königsberg. This is my apartment, and now we're going to take a look at the city. It's a good looking gate, and we are going through. And we are out of the gate, waiting for a bus. What does this guy want? It's a nice day today. 41, 45. I found the bisons. We have a church. Let's continue. iPhone 17 Pro. Looking good. Very nice. Got pizza in the car. So Fish Village is 3 buildings. Let's see what else I can find. Very nice. Hello. We have a Königsberg Cathedral. We have a knight. How you doing? No free photo. And we continue moving. We have a beautiful Soviet architecture. Школьники. Firefighting depot. I have no money for museums. It's a good view. Busy tourist season. Amusement park. What is happening? Спасибо. Scary as shit. House is upside down. 300 rubles to get in. Lamborghini spotted in Kaliningrad. Nighttime. Let's freaking go.
Я бы вот эту, конечно,
Фотошут.
было. Ой, бля.
Сказать, что у нас бесплатно фотографироваться с человеком в историческом костюме.
Looking good at night. Waiting for a train to Zelenogradsk. We've got the ticket. Here's our train. Thank you, train. Excuse us, Jesus. We got a house.
Вон на первом этаже есть ресторанчик, который так и называется.
Restaurant. Looking very nice.
Мы не эксплуатируем детский труд.
Cat go. Cats with a fish. Found the cat. How you doing, cat? Pumpkins. And Lenin. Can play some chess. What is going on? Competition. The boy has no leg. No. I found the beach. Water. You like water? The beach. Let's go swimming. Let's go. Very nice beach. Rotating cat. Русалки. Beautiful weather for a swim. Look at that. I am done here. Train is here. On the spot. Oh boy. Школьники under arrest. Welcome to my apartment. We have a kitchen, table TV, sofa, the view, bed, very nice, bathroom. Beautiful. Everything is for $24 a day. Americano and a cake. $3.50. Very nice park. Concert hall. Got this building. On some beautiful property. I found Central Park. We are going to this bar. What do we need? What do we want? Everything is expensive. Chicken, $5. Get some water. Get some семечкos. Success. Thank you very much. Today is a sunny day and I'm traveling to Svetlogorsk. It's a 1-hour trip. We got a ticket. This is us. Welcome. We have arrived. Кофе крендель. Some sort of popular building. Let's get the f*** out of here. Fountain.
Зашла и вышла, блин.
Under construction. That's the beach for you. To the water. Some metal for your feet. You get some tan on this tire. In case you didn't know. Oh yeah, you cannot come out of it, only go in. And we are out of this beach. $120 rubles. Not paying 120 rubles. And we are out of here. We got some accident. Ponert. This place is more depressing than my life. Let's take a look how people live here. Beautiful property. Storage. Very cool. We are in the central part of Kaliningrad again. We're going to the mall. Two-story mall. We're checking out the museum. Prices are ridiculous. People came on the boat to see the boats. Vitesse. Blue Bowl. Yeah, we're not going in there. The ship Kaliningrad. What does this do? Let's see. Nothing happened. It's a frame. Going to the airport.